Good day, everyone. I'm Garcia, and my partner is Pana, and he will discuss about division of line segments. So I hope you guys watch and listen for his tutorial.
Hello everyone. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pana and I'm from grade 10 Einstein. Today we will solve a problem about the division of line segment, and before we start, we need to be able to do these four things first. First, know what is us. Second is know the solutions that we will use. Next is show your solution. And lastly is answer with our best. So here we are given a problem which is there's a given point which is B 3, 6 divides the line segment which joins points A which is negative 3, negative 4 and B K, 11 in the ratio Mn. Whereas we are tasked to find the ratio, which is the Mn, and also the missing letter, which is the K. Next, in this slide, we are given many solutions to use. Whereas to use, now let's get into business. Now, to find the ratio, first, which is the MNN, we will get the formula, which is the R is equals to Y minus Y sub 1 over Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1. Then substitute. We are given the substitute values, which is R is equals to 6 minus negative 4 over 11 minus negative 4. Whereas we are given an answer which is a 10 over 15. Now, we simplify it and we will get the ratio, or which is the MNN of 2/3. In order to find the value of K, we need to substitute the values that we have got from earlier, which is, and we will get the solution. We will use the solution now. The y, which is y equals y minus y sub 1 plus r, or the ratio rather, times y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So we substitute the given values that we have, which is 3, which is the y, equals negative 3 plus ratio, which is the 2/3, close parenthesis, K minus negative 3. After solving it, we will give the answer, but number 6. So our final answer is the value of K is negative 6, whereas the ratio, which is M and N, is 2/3. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, I am Garcia from grade 10 Einstein, and I will be discussing about angle between two lines. So first, what is angle between two lines? Angle between two lines can be calculated by knowing the slopes of the two lines or by knowing the equations of the two lines. So, let's continue on for our problem for today. The problem that we're going to solve is find the interior angles of the polygon whose vertices are M, negative 8, comma 8, A negative 12, comma 5, K negative 4, comma 5, E negative K8, negative 1, then classify the polygon. So for this problem, we're going to solve our, we're going to find the slope first, and then the angles between them to identify its type of polygon. The formulas that are involved for this problem are m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and theta m sub 1 minus m sub 2, 1 plus m sub 1 quantity m sub 2. These formulas are for slope and for getting the angle. Before we distribute the given to the formulas, we should illustrate it first based on its Cartesian plane. Like this. So, pag ganyan siya, hindi siya like parang quadrilateral. It is two triangles that faces each other. And then, ngayon naman, we'll continue na tayo sa pagkuha ng slope. So, ang ginawa ko ay distribute ko lang. So, for the MA segment, ang y sub 2 nila ay yung 8, ay yung 5, and yung y sub 1 is 8, and yung x sub 2 is negative 12, and the x sub 1 is 8. Kaya naging plus is because then, kapag pinagsama ang minus and negative, magiging positive siya. So, 5 minus 8 is equal to negative 3, and negative 12 plus 8 is equal to 4. So, ang slope niya is negative 3/4. While for the ME, ang y sub 2 is 1, and yung y sub 1 is 8, and y minus 8, and x sub 2 is negative 8, and yung x sub 1 naman is negative 8 din. So, kaya naging plus siya. 1 minus 8 is equal to 7, and negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Kaya ang difference dahil yung denominator is 0. And yung sa EK naman, 5 plus 1 is 6 over negative 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. Nilowest term siya kaya naging 3 halves. Yung AK naman is 0 dahil 5 minus 5 over negative 4 plus 12 is equal to 0 over 8. Kaya siya naging 0 dahil numerator niya is 0. So, sa pagkuha naman ng angle, ang gagamitin natin formula ay tan theta is equal to m sub 1 minus m sub 2 over 1 plus m sub 1 quantity m sub 2. So, kinuha ko yung A, and bago pala pagkuha ko ng A, I figure out na 90 na yan, yung dito banda. 90 degrees na yan. And so, yung sa A, kinuha ko na siya. Ginamit ko yung formula. Ang x sub 1 is 0, which is dahil sa pag-guhit natin ng counterclockwise sa angle. Kung ano yung unang maglaland dun sa circle, ayun yung m sub 1. Kung anong tinuturo ng arm, ayun yung m sub 2. So, ang m sub 1 ng A ay yung AK, which is 0. Then, yung m sub 2 niya is yung MA, which is negative 3/4. So, distribute the given 0 plus 3/4 over 1 plus 0 quantity 3/4. Ang sagot ay 3/4 over 1. And ang sagot niya, pinaka is 3/4. Tapos, ang silbi ng tan theta is ita-transpose mo yung tan sa kabila para maging arc plan 3/4. And kung ano yung lalabas na sagot sa calculator is ayun yung pinaka-angle niya, which is 37 degrees. Kapag negative ang lumabas, ipa-plus lang siya sa 180 dahil bawal ang negative na angle. So, ang sunod ko naman na kinuha ay yung K. Ang M sub 1 for K is 3/2, which is yung EK natin. And yung M sub 2 naman is from AK. Kaya 3/2 minus 0 over 1 plus 3/2 quantity 0. Ang sagot ay 3/2. And transpose yung tan, arc tan siya, arc tan quantity 3/2. Ang sagot ay 56 degrees. So, as for the M, hindi ko na ginamit yung arc tan dahil minus ko na lang siya sa 180. Pinas ko muna yung dalawang angles na nakuha na natin, yung 90 and 37. Then, minus ka sa 180. So, 180 minus 90 plus 37 is equal to 50. For the E naman, ayun din, ginawa ko rin. So, ang present na angle ay 90 and 56. So, linas ko yun, then minus ko sa 180. So, 180 minus 90 plus 56 is equal to 34. So, ayun na ang final natin. Ito yung pinaka-final na illustration natin. Ang angle M is 53 degrees and ang A naman ay 37 degrees. Ang K is 56 degrees and ang E is 34 degrees. So, in conclusion, ang type na polygon na ito ay anti-parallelogram, which look like a bit like bird's wings. Anti-parallelogram or cross-parallelogram has a normal two pairs of concurrent opposites, but one pair has been crossed, forming what appears to be two touching triangles. Yun lang. So, thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned about the topics that we discussed. And please subscribe and hit that like and notification bell.